Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please let me know. Do a comment below, and please think of subscribing and liking this video so that you can find out all the new and fun stuff that I get to do almost every day. I go live on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sunday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I have the Epic Craft Battle on Friday nights where I invite a guest to go head-to-head with me and craft something on the fly. But today, thank you for joining us in the Christmas All Year Long Playlist Challenge. Basically, I want to celebrate Christmas all year long. So on the 25th of each month, we're going to be crafting based on a Christmas theme. This month's Christmas theme for January is peace. So I want to make sure that we all share a little bit of peace as we start the new year. So whether it has the word peace in it, it's peacefulness, it includes a verse from the Bible, let's say, please share what gives you peace. And I wanted to create a beautiful little flowery kind of sign with peace involved in it. So let's get started. First off, I have this Dollar Tree Christmas sign. Yes, I'm going to do what I like to call a Christmas flip. So I'm just going to use that, use the back. I also have the actual peace sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you all saw this during Christmas time. And during my craft room reorganization, I found this lovely box of yellow roses that I was given to by someone, and I haven't used them yet. I think I probably had this for 5 years now. Silly, I should just use them. If I need more roses, I will find more of them. So it's very simple. I'm just gonna fill the box with roses and put peace across it. So let's get started. So what I've started to do is just take off the little stems so that my roses will fit in snugly into the box. Now, as far as peace is concerned, it's very important to try to find a sense of peace in your everyday life. Sometimes we get so hectic, we try to control things. I personally have a lot of issues with anxiety, nervousness, fear, and sometimes I just gotta give it up. Now, I'm a woman of faith, and to me, my faith, my trust in God is extremely important for me to achieve peace. And yet, still I struggle. And I'm sure a lot of us do. So be at peace with the fact that it's very hard to be at peace. Does that make sense? Unless you find a different outlet to find that peace. And we need to create peace in our lives just by finding some quiet time. For me, I do find a lot of peacefulness in crafting. So that's why I wanted to make this a peaceful craft challenge. All right, let's get started. Now now that I've cut all the backs of, or the, I guess, what do you want, the stems? Once I've cut all the stems from the roses, I'm gonna start placing them into the box. I picked yellow because for me, yellow is a very, I don't know, peace-inducing color. It kind of means forgiveness, sunshine, that sort of thing. So, actually, I put it too far into the corner there. And I just want it to reach the top of the box because I want the peace sign to sit right below it. And just start filling your box. all my little yellow rosebuds. And then all I'm going to do is put my peace sign right above it so it'll stand out. Sure it's straight. There we go. And there you have it. I think that came out rather cute, if you ask me. Well, I mean, I made it. Of course, I'm going to find it cute. But I just love that it's simple, it's sweet, and it's perfect to put in the corner of your office desk or at your home desk, in your kitchen, anywhere, and just remind you to be at peace and to find peace and to seek out peace. And the way I seek out peace is through prayer and also through crafting with friends like you. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for joining my playlist. Please check out my other videos and the videos of others creators in today's playlist. And thank you. And as I say every night that I say goodbye to my friends, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure and find that peace in your life. All right? God bless you guys. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye! I was going to make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
Should we have a little thing there? Oh!